Assalamualaikum, my dear students. Hope you are doing very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Khaleda Akter, Assistant Teacher of Social Science, National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. So, my dear students of class 3, today I am going to take a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for you, and this is class number 11. And this is from chapter 9. We will do true, false, and short question from this chapter. So, without any further ado, let's start the class. Look at the board, my dear students. So, at first we will do true, false. And this is chapter 9, our Bangladesh. Name of the chapter is our Bangladesh. So now true, false from number 1. Bangladesh is divided into 8 divisions. So you have to find out whether this is true or false. I will help you. The first one is Bangladesh is divided into 8 divisions. It's actually true. We have done the reading done, so we know the information, right? So that is true. Number 2, Chattogram is the smallest division of Bangladesh. So this is false because Chattogram is not the smallest division. And number 3, Royal Bengal tiger is found in the hilly forest. Royal Bengal tiger is actually found in where? Sundarbans, right? So that is not actually hilly areas, so it will be false. And number 4, sal forest is found in Madhupur, Bhawal and Barendra. That is actually true. So dear students, hope you can do this by yourself. I also helped you. So now we will go to the section number 2. There is short question. We have provided 2 short questions in our previous class. Now we will provide the next short question, that means question number 3 and 4. Question number 3. Where can the Royal Bengal tiger be found? So where can the Royal Bengal tiger be found? The world famous Royal Bengal tiger can be found in the Sundarbans. It is in the south of Khulna division. So what is the answer? The world famous Royal Bengal tiger can be found in the Sundarbans. It is in the south of Khulna division. So now question number 4. Which are our cash crops? Which are our cash crops? The crops which we sell or export for earning currencies are called cash crops. So what is the definition of cash crops? The crops which we sell or export, that means we send to other countries, and in return we get money or currency. For earning currency actually are called cash crops. Bangladesh is an agricultural country. We all know about that. Bangladesh is an agricultural country. Rice, jute, tea, wheat are grown here. Among them, jute and tea are our cash crops. So we found 2 examples of cash crops. The first one is jute and the second one is tea. So you can get a question which one is cash crop of our country. So if you get option in jute or tea, you can tick mark this. Okay. So you have HW, and that is HW number 11, and that will be true, false. Okay. You have to do HW, true, false, and submit this by Saturday. So my dear students, hope you have understood today's class. In the next class, we will come with a new topic. Till then, stay safe. Assalamualaikum. Allah Hafiz.